guys, I'm going to start with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'm going to take the two yellow shades and apply it as my transition color. And I'm also using BH Cosmetics brush to blend the color out. And sometimes yellow colors can be a little bit hard to use as a transition color, but this one worked out well. Next, I'm going to take the green color and apply it in my crease. And then I'm taking the same brush that I used for my transition color to blend the yellow and green together. Next, I'm going in with this pretty turquoise color and apply it to my outer lid, and I'm just packing the shadow on with a dense blending brush. And then we're going to take the baby blue color and apply it to the middle section of the lid.
Just enjoy, take my advice.
Going in with the Fuchsia Plum color, I'm applying this to my inner lid, and it took me a minute to pack this color on, but I ended up switching brushes to get the color to apply correctly. Here I'm just making sure that everything is blended together, and this palette can be purchased online at BH Cosmetics, so I will have the link in the description box below. I've applied my foundation off camera, and I used the Clinique Poreless Perfecting Foundation, and now I'm just taking Matte's concealer to highlight, and then we're just going to blend everything with a sponge. Next, I'm taking the Airspun loose powder and I'm going to set the concealer, and this powder is full coverage. I really like it because it helps prevent any creasing that may occur. To create my wing, I'm using the Master Precise Liner by Maybelline. And then we're going to use L'Oreal's Lash Paradise Mascara for the lashes. To contour, I'm using Fenty Beauty's Contour Stick, and this is in the color Truffle. And I'm just blending it out with my Real Techniques brush. To set the contour, I'm using the Medium Deep Setting Powder by Laura Mercier. And I'm going to set the rest of my face with Sephora Pro Matte Powder, and this is my #1 favorite face powder. Going back to the palette, I'm going to take the blue and apply it under my bottom lashes. Next, I'm taking Bad Gal Bane Mascara by Benefit, and I'm applying it to my bottom lashes, and I've been using this on my bottom lashes lately. It really helps grab the smaller lashes, so yeah. For highlighting, I'm using Maybelline's Master Chrome and then Revolution's Sun Kiss for a subtle glow, and I'm placing it on the high points of my cheeks, inner tear duct, and bridge of my nose. I'm using Chestnut Lip Liner by MAC to line my lips. And then I'm using MAC's lipstick in the color Stone. I'm taking Kat Von D Lipcreme in the color Bow and Arrow to create my favorite color combo. And to top it off, I'm taking Wet n Wild's Mega Stick Lip Gloss for a slight shine. And that completes this fun spring look using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one.